And did you guys see any of the footage of the tornadoes over the weekend?
Gosh, the destruction. I mean, Yazoo City was leveled, man. It was unbelievable. And I was watching the Weather Channel yesterday morning. Of course, the storms came through there Saturday. Mm-hmm. But I was watching the Weather Channel yesterday, and one of the anchors on the Weather Channel talking to the coroner in Yazoo City, and she was saying, well, how did you feel when you went to the town and looked at the and
they asked some of the dumbest
I turn it
questions.
off right then. I turn it off.
I hate those questions.
You know, it is crazy. But, I mean, that Yazoo City got leveled.
Reporters who have no idea what they're reporting on are the ones that ask those stupid questions.
It was unbelievable.
It's like the ones when somebody's kid just got killed or died or drowned or something, and they get the mother crying and say, how do you feel about, well, how do you think I feel?
Look at my house. It's gone. Yeah. That's how I feel. My house is gone.
Well, it messed up Darlington, too.
It did,
we had some problems up there, ripped the roof off of one school in Darlington, South Carolina. And we've got the video, some video that was shot. Some bright individual got out of their car and got their phone out and started filming the tornado as it approached. I guess, everybody wants to be an eye reporter.
You know what? Yeah, there was also some other ones on the Weather Channel I saw that were trying to film the ones in Yazoo City, and it caught them.
Well, what happened?
I did. Yeah, I saw that.
They were bleeping that thing left and right because those guys were freaking out.
I bet.
So you know what? You see one of those coming, you don't get a lot of warning.
Oh,
but if you can see it coming, don't stop.
Yeah.
Don't get in its way either, because it's going to take you out.
Unless you're a professional storm chaser. Now, those guys seem to know what they're doing.
Uh-huh.
Well, these guys said they were storm chasers.
Right. Well, I saw the movie Twister. Does that qualify? I remember that. No, it was a mess over the weekend.
Yeah, as soon as you see a cow fly by, I'm out.
It looks like it could be a tough week. I mean, there's a lot of that mess coming up out of the Gulf. It's just going to be interesting. I think it's going to be an interesting weather year.
Yeah,
they're talking about hurricanes this year, and we'll see what happens. Mm-hmm. I got my car packed.
Ready to move?
Yeah.
Ready to go?
Yes.
Bottled water and
they recommend that you have your emergency supplies ready to go. You know, you have your water and your medicine and all your paperwork in a plastic bag and all that stuff.
You've got all that ready, and it's already in your car.
I rented a U-Haul.
So you're just packed and ready to
I've got everything in the house is in that truck in the garage, so that if they say one's coming, we can just hop in and go. In the meantime, we have to get in the back of that truck to eat dinner and stuff. But
Judy, you don't have a problem with that?
No, she's pretty good with it all.
I'm going to tell you right now, in these times, having a U-Haul at your house for an extended period of time is going to send up red flags.
You think? Yes. 629. Well, you never know when things change. They can change pretty quick. 629 at WEZL. Good morning. If you want complete coverage, I know Channel 2 had a lot of video and stuff on that tornado damage and stuff up in Darlington. What was it? Oates, South Carolina?
Yeah, the Oates community.
Oates, South Carolina. I think we're doing a remote up there.
I think that's like the Sangaree of Darlington.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is that what
the Sangaree of Darlington. That's where all the bad stuff happens.
Everything bad that happens in Oates.
Oates, South Carolina. 6:30 at WEZL.
Play Palmetto County.